Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு welcome and our channel Secret Investigation of Mystery. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகுது natural resources and their uses. When does national nature become a resource? On one of the meaning of the word nature is totally of the life and non-life forms that are part of our environment but have not created by humans. When humans use this form for their suspicious or create new things from them for consumption, these elements of nature become resources. For example, trees are part of the environment. They exist independently of humans. When we cut them and convert their wood into furniture, we see the trees as a resource. Often, these entries are not easily accessible. For example, there may be petroleum in places deep under the ocean that we did not have a technology to access, or the extraction cost may be too high, or may, it may be culturally unacceptable, like cutting trees in a scattered groves. So for an eligibility is called a resource, should be technologically accessible, and exploitation should be economically feasible, feasible and culturally acceptable. Usually, the word exploitation has a negative con- condition. The, in the context we use, it means extraction, unlisting, and consumption of national resources. The earth has a treasure, many of which have formed over millions of years, and which humans have taken and learned to use. This includes the most obvious, like ones like water, air, and soil, and also the not so obvious. So, like coal, petroleum, prescriptions, stone, metals, ores, timber, etc. Don't miss out. In many incurious tradition of the word, nature is consisted and sacred. You have read about this. In such traditions, nature in the neuter and knowledge. Do you know the practice that reflect this? Think about it. Take a past look at yourself and think around you. That is the origin of each of them. At some point, they all lead to nature. Even a plastic button on your shirt. In short, we apply the term natural resource to materials and substance that occurs in nature are valuable to humans. Categories of natural resource. In science, we learn the usefulness of categorization and naming. We use some shared categories or data which we categorize idea or thing. We name the categories so that we can refer to them with just one word or a short value. When these names and meanings are shared across a group of people, It helps us discuss a set of ideas or things without needing to describe them every time. We can communicate more efficiently to in either classes you learned about living and non-living things as soon as we use these words you know that they mean it. This is a simple example of categories. We do the same natural resources. Think about it. What what might be a different escritor we can use of to categorize national resource. One of the way we can use the categorize national resources is based on the users we put them to. Essential for a life source for material and sources for energy. Resource, resources essential for life. Life couldn't exist on Earth without the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. We take this from the atmosphere, the river and pond. Throughout cultivation of soil or give other things. We can't make the air we breathe, the water we drink, or the soil which gives us food. Resources essential for life. Life would not exist on the earth without the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. We take them from the atmosphere, the rivers and ponds, the resource for material. The human beings create a physical object out of the natural gifts. We make them for our understanding or create or to create things of beauty enrich our lives.